In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage space permissions in ClickUp. Access Control 2026. Start by opening your browser and heading to clickup.com. Sign into your ClickUp account using your preferred method. You can continue with email or choose a connected provider. Complete the sign-in flow, and you'll land on your ClickUp homepage. From here, focus on the left-hand sidebar. This panel is your main navigation, and it's where you'll find spaces along with other options. We're going to manage permissions for a specific space, so look through your list and locate the space you want to control. If your workspace is busy, scroll through the list or use search to find it faster. Hover your mouse over the space name to reveal the three-dot menu. This small ellipsis icon opens additional options for the space. Click it, then choose More, and select All Space Settings. This opens the configuration panel where you can control how people interact with work inside that space. Inside the settings, look for the section labeled Default Permission. This setting defines the baseline access for members in the space. It's a powerful control because it sets the standard for what most people can do unless you intentionally grant different access elsewhere. Open the permission drop-down and choose the level that fits your needs. Full Edit gives users broad control to create, edit and delete items, including structure adjustments. Edit allows people to create and update tasks and docs while typically limiting higher risk structural changes. Comment lets teammates collaborate through comments and reactions without modifying core content. View Only is the most restrictive, giving read-only visibility for maximum control and minimal risk. Pick the level that matches your team's responsibilities and the sensitivity of the work. When in doubt, start with the least access that still allows people to do their job. You can always grant higher access to specific members or specific areas later if needed. After selecting the permission, make sure to save your changes. Look for the Save or Save Changes button and confirm so your new default takes effect. If you want to verify the outcome, you can ask a teammate to check what they see, or open an incognito window to simulate a different access level. That's the process. Open the space options, go to All Space Settings, choose the default permission, and save. With the right defaults in place, you'll reduce accidental edits, protect sensitive work, and keep collaboration clear and consistent. Thanks for watching, and feel free to repeat these steps across your other spaces to keep access aligned with your team's needs.